Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that no sound plays after connecting your earbuds with your phone. How to fix that? At first you need to charge your earbuds up to 100% and check if your volume with your, of course, headphones connected is not set to 0. You need to check that. If it's set to 0 or if it's almost at 0, you need to increase it. I know, rookie mistake, but it happens to me sometimes. So plug them into the power after that and check if everything works when charged. If it doesn't work still, you need to do something different. You need to unpair them from your phone and pair them with a different device. Meantime, you need to restart your phone. Once you connect them to a different phone, you can check if your headphones are at fault or your phone is at fault. Because when you get normal sound when connected to a different device, it's your phone, of course, your private phone. However, if you still get no sound, your headphones are at fault. When your headphones are at fault, you need to contact device support to have it fixed or perform a factory reset before. If your phone is at fault, you need to check if it is your application failure. How to check that? You need to try using another application, like for example SoundCloud, Spotify, Apple Music. We've got many software connected with music that you can try. For example, even YouTube. If you still get no sound, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.